Now I'm going to show you how to use Vectr. The first thing you do is you go to the website, and then you log in. Log in using your school Google account. It's the best way to do it. You need to start a new file. I recommend using a web small size. You create that. And there it is. For some reason, it did not pop up. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to, that's the most recent one right there. I'm going to open that up. All right, this is what it's going to look like for you. First thing you want to do when you're tracing an image is to upload the image. So click on Upload Image. The next thing you're going to do is find where you put your image. Often that is the most challenging part. If you go online and find a picture that you like, download it onto your desktop. Try to remember where you put it. And if it helps you out, you can switch your icons to images, which is what I'm doing here. So I can find one that I like. There we go. A lemon looks great. So I'm now uploading the lemon so I can trace it into my Vectr file. Right? I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. A lot of universal graphic design things on this. That's one of the tools that's very useful. You can stretch it out. Okay, now this has been put on a layer. There's the layer it's on. I can turn it on and off. You want to lock this layer because you're going to be tracing it, so you don't want it to move. Then I'm going to click on my pen tool. I'm going to start clicking away. So in your pen tool, if you go to the next thing and you pull it, you'll get these little kind of splines that you can use to make it more realistic, a little curvy. You don't have to. You can just do it so it's click, click, click. On the way that I got rid of that, the way that I got rid of the menu is I pressed escape. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to continue to go around the lemon, right? Making curved lines and straight lines as I need to. Say I didn't like something I wanted to change. It. What you do is you choose it, and then you click it on it twice. Click, click. And then you can actually take the individual points and you can move those around. You actually could redo the splines too if you needed to. You can pull those. All right. So now let's say if it's all finished, I want to download it. I'm going to need to turn off the picture of the lemon once I can actually figure out which one it is. There we go. So that is the lemon that the line drawing, I'm going to be downloading just the line drawing. I go over to export, switch over to a JPEG. That's my JPEG. I'm going to download that. Again, try to remember where you put it when you export it because you're going to upload it again into your site when we get to that point. But for this, make sure you're going to do it because the first part of this, again, the assignment is you're going to be putting it into a Google Slides. You need to know where you put this. All right, and that's how you do it.